let's go ahead and cut the collar area for this. So for the smaller one, I'm going to be doing the wideness of 10 and the length of 16. I'm going to repeat myself. Wideness of 10, that's how wide it should be, and the length is going to be 16 for the small one, right? I'm going to put all this together now with my stream. Now is go ahead and mark out 5 inches from the 10 inches that you went up by. So basically you're just dividing it by 2, and I'm going to rule a straight line across. The line I have here is of 9 inches, and I'm just going to use my curved rule to make a curve from that 9 inches all the way to the end of the pattern. So this is what we have for the smaller one. And for the bigger collar, I went out, the last one was 16, so I did like 3 inches extra and got 19, right? And then I'm just going to go ahead like I did from the beginning, make a box and see where that takes me. Okay, for the length I did 1 inch extra, so the first one was 10, this is 11, right? I'm just going to make lines across like I did. So now that we have that, I'm just going to cancel out that other line that was horrible, and then I'll come down here by 9 inches, right? Like I said, divide said number into 2. So for me here I have 11, divide 11 into 2, and I got this midline right here. Do my line and then use my French curve to make a curve. This is simpler and easier than using your hand and getting a crooked line, so I would advise that you use your tools to make sure your work comes out really neat. So this is what I have for the pattern. I actually went on to my fabric. This is a crepe fabric. You don't have to use a crepe fabric, you can use other fabrics, but this is a crepe fabric. I did not add half an inch at the top because I did not want it, like I said, to extend into the zipper area. That's why I did not extend the half-inch sewing allowance to the top part of this. I'm going to go to my machine to close this now, top curve side. That's what I'm going to do, and this is what it looks like after I was done closing it.